procession जशें हांवें म्हणलां procession on the 21st सगळो लोक processionan वयचो ना. Only those who are marked and selected to go in the procession, only they will go in the procession. No? There will be a human chain formed by youth and also other volunteers. They will line up along the procession carriage, no? On procession path. दुसरो लोक आमचो तांणी सायडीक रावं येता. पूण सगळो लोक मागीर कॅथिड्रलान भितर सरचो ना. Only those who have a badge, those who are allowed in the procession, they will be allowed inside the cathedral. Others will all remain outside. Will these people be allowed veneration soon after that? Once people who are inside, they finish veneration, then slowly in an orderly manner, we will allow these people who were there for Mass, for the procession, maybe on the side, we will allow them. And only at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we will begin with the veneration queue for the other people. 22nd November till 4th January 2025, Satam Sakadi Suru Zatalo, 7 o'clock in the morning, the veneration will begin. Till 6 o'clock in the evening, we will close the entry gate. Photography will not be allowed inside the cathedral. Photography of the relics will not be allowed. We will not allow mobile phones to be on. No? They should be switched off. Also liquids and other things, no? There will be a security check. They will not be allowed. Baggages will not be allowed. So I request people not to come to the veneration with their bags. Even water bottles will not be allowed inside. But there will be provision for water. There will be made along the veneration queue. There will be water, no? But water bottles will not be allowed inside the cathedral.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.